Hello YouTube, let's learn how to split UNIX type path into sections. Now, of course, this is raw data, so we need to put it into some kind of variable. We're gonna use, of course, because we are dealing with Python, single quotes, and actually in many programming languages you will define strings, and this is string with a single or double quotes. So that will be path, and results of our operation we need to put them somewhere. So every time when you're splitting path, you need to know a couple of things. The first thing is order of operation or order of command, and in this case that will be path and then split. So this is up to you to define, this variable. It can be anything, but important to notice that whatever you define here, you just need to put it first here and then dot and then split. Now split will take one argument in this case, and that will also be a string, so single or double quotes, and we gonna use that special symbol that is separating parts of path. So this is slash, let's just put it here, and now let's print result. Let's save it and run it, and that's about it. Okay, now let's see what kind of result we have here, and then we'll go through this result line by line. So let's print type of this. Type of result will be list. Okay, so every time when you have list, you can grab things by their position. Now if you go to result of this operation, you will see that we have empty thing here, then var, then log, and then messages. So let's, for example, print them by position. Print path or result, and let's grab this template. So 0, 1, 2, 3, because in programming languages, well, at least in many of them, we are just counting from 0. Let's run it, and now you have results. Of course, you can for some reason combine those things. Maybe you're just grabbing a couple of those, and then you're generating folders or entries, file names, random file names. It depends what kind of research you're doing, but it can be done, of course. So yeah, now see this in when you're dealing with Windows, you will probably, you will use this double slashes, opposite slashes, but you need to escape them when you're using Windows. So this will not work, but when you escape them with same symbol, then the thing will work. Okay, so let's go to UNIX style. So where I was, yeah, let's print using for loop. For some specific x, abstract x in result, we will print that specific x, and let's see what we have. And that's about it. Absolutely same result, but with for loop. Now if for some reason you just wanna, for some kind of research, you just wanna export that to file, you will do something like this. File will be open export txt, mode will be writing to file. After we are done with file, we need to close it, because we wanna grab that information and not just leave it somewhere in the air in a computer, So definitely close. After you are done with your file, close your file. Don't leave that to system to handle. It will handle, but in a funny way maybe. So we will substitute print with file writing. Write that specific line plus new line, because we want a line after line and not just concatenation on same line, because then what's the point, And let's run our script, everything is fine, no errors in the right panel. And let's go out, check our file, export txt, and that's it. Really simple stuff. The reason because we have empty space here is because we have one slash here. So if you remove it and run your script again, you will have that slash missing. See? Well, that's pretty much it. Really simple stuff. You can play around a little bit. This thing is not so complicated, but it's not so important. It's just it's up to you where you will use it. Probably if you're a beginner, this kind of scripts can be a little bit difficult, but they are interesting when you understand them. Finally, that will be good base for everything else. Yeah. So yeah, thank you for watching, for subscriptions, for support, and as always, see you in next tutorial.